Something custom I'm going to put together for a upcoming show. This is Moon Glow acrylic, Moon Glow divider, Maple Valley, I believe, and Python. This is the bolster. This is the main, even though they're about the same size. This will go on a smaller knife like a Frontier, First, or Valley. And then I have a matching set, a little larger. This can go on maybe a Genesis or a GNS. So that'll be a pretty cool set. Okay, those scales I was putting together before, I have finished up enough to tape them together and put them in my box. These ones, I think that you saw before, have glow dividers and glow liners. You're welcome, Jonathan Burton. I know he likes the glow. As do lots of guys and girls on the Outhouse forum. But these came out really cool. Got Python and Maple Valley. You see my scratches on there, but I 320'd and polished this so I could clock things correctly. You see that there, you know, if it comes together like that, snip it. So I got a smaller knife set and the fuller knife set. Same exact setup. This will all get trimmed to whatever knife, of course, is going to go on. I think maybe, I'll have to check the size, either, like I said, Frontier Valley or First, and then GNS or Genesis, something like that on here. But I think that would make a pretty cool piggyback setup, either in Kydex, then we could definitely piggyback them together, or just leather, or his and hers. Here's Dad's knife, here's the boy's knife, or whatever, something like that. I will try and make the blanks as close as possible. I don't know what's available upstairs. As far as the grind goes, hopefully I get flat grind, but we'll see what we have up there. See what Amy lets me have out of the storage. So those should come together quite nicely. I think, I'm not sure, what do you, copper? I don't know if you can see that. Copper or brass for the hardware? What do you think? Drop me a comments, tell me what you think on the hardware. I think aluminum, not on these two. Copper or brass might be pretty nice looking, but let me know what you think. Thanks.